Oh boy. Knew that wasn't gonna work. Oh no. That didn't work well at all. That broke off. It's a wet one today. We're gonna go check out a new spot I found. I want to ride, so it's just like Northwest, eh? Oh, I forgot something. Bringing the goggles because it'll get fogged up if I just put the visor down. This phone's blocking my little fun spot right here. But yeah, we're not here to mess around here. We're here to go to the next place. I also shaved my levers off a little bit more. Now it's easier to pull all the way in with 2 fingers and not hit my other 2 fingers. And this one I just shaved a little bit so it doesn't ever have a chance of rubbing up against the bark buster, whatever you want to call it. Ran my pants. Come on now. Make sure we don't get run over by a train. So we're gonna cross through here, go straight down that road, and eventually we'll wind up at the little off-road spots. Another 15 minutes, 20 minutes from here. Muddy, slippery. Woods. Ooh, it's slick in here. Oh boy. Knew that wasn't gonna work. Oh no. That didn't work well at all. That broke off. Whoopsie. Right into the tree. Down we go again. Muddy as going into the tree almost. And we're back out here. And we'll go back in here. Now I gotta buy a new front fender, put new stickers on it and everything. We'll go into here. Technical woods going on. Tough time in here. Damn it. pretty wet. And it's dinner time. We're gonna head back to civilization and all that good stuff. Take care of that at some point. And oh, forgot to mention, I cut my seat down. You gotta check this out. Took the foam off, shaved it down, so instead of kind of coming more at just an angle, it's actually a saddle, a lot lower. Still pretty comfy. It's not, you know, it's not anything special, but I can reach the ground a lot better. Definitely helps messing around and off-road. And then I just wrapped it in duct tape because I didn't have a good staple gun, and the original seat cloth would have been kind of stretched right here where I took a lot out. So I just covered it in the Gorilla Tape. Gorilla Tape's good for a lot of things. And yeah, it's good. Alright, I'm only going to try this once. It's wet and this is kind of sketchy, so second gear. Third gear. And that's enough. And then there's this thing. I found this little rock just sitting here, and it's kind of fun to hit if you can stay on the bike and keep it straight. Ah, you gotta be shitting me. Bend the shit out of your shifter. That's no fun.